Pleasant morning again to our viewers, our family, and everyone who supports the Caymanas Punta's Paradise program. We from the Real World Corner is here again, and we are saying welcome back as we are on show. First, we must speak of our bankers. As we know, I am the banker master. We are going to take bankers today. In the second race, we are going to take Sir John. Sir John in the second race. Sir John is gonna find Crimson a threat. But as for Sir John, he is recently claimed by Carlton Cunningham, and Sir John is looking physically well. He's looking new and improved. And I must say that I'm gonna take the chance to utilize Sir John as a banker ahead of Crimson. So Sir John is my first banker for the program this week. And as you know, this week is a wide carnival, 3 days. Big fat carnival for us this week. So we're gonna have to have bankers abundantly to serve our viewers. The second banker is Run Julie Run. She clocked 138 and a fifth with 55 kilos on last, and that was pretty impressive. She did 112 for the first six, and she was coming off a little layoff. So she is looking really sharp at the exercise. She's just pulling like a bus. And I would say I'm gonna take Run Julie Run to justify the confidence placed in her and be a real banker for this program. As for our outsiders, yes, we're gonna just take two bankers this week. As you see that the program is really competitive and we are expecting some good dividends to pay. But we are gonna go to our outsiders now, and I'm gonna take Better Than COVID. Better Than COVID ran pretty prominently on last. She has been working with a few horses that has already won since she was over by Ryan Darby. And now that she made it clear to us that she is going to figure here. So I'm going to take her to be an exotic maker. I'm not going to say that she's definitely a winner, but she can get in the mix. My next outer, not so deeply an outer, but she can create an upset. Showgirl. Showgirl is expected to run and do herself real justice in race 7. And I'll just making it clear that Showgirl will be in your exotics tomorrow, whether you will or you won't. So I am asking all my fans and all viewers to just give us a likes. Who can subscribe, and we will appreciate that. We are trying to give you bankers so you can win money and buy us gift, because we are contributing, so we are expecting to see something. We are not getting greedy, but we are gonna say you got the show have to go on. So big up yourself, and enough respect every time. We are gonna go over to Mr. Fender. Here to you, Mr. Fender.
Morning, Caymanas Punta's Paradise fans. Morning, Basha.
Pleasant morning to you,
It,
Mr.
it,
Fender.
it is
Good
such
to have
a,
you here, you know?
yeah, and coming from me, the same. And and I want to say that these 3 days of racing, you know, tell us a little, tell the fans a little about what you think possibly will be taking place over these 3 days of racing at
I
Caymanas
don't
Park.
know, as you know, it's always excitement at the track, and I did say The program tomorrow looks a little hectic. It is competitive, so people are not going to have things like they are expecting at times. Some people will get what they expect, but you can expect the unexpected with this week carnival,
Okay.
this
And
weekend's carnival.
and it is that you think the size of the field of the races, you
No,
know.
the program is nicely supported. I can say that. It is there for you to see.
Yes.
So,
And I know your expertise when it comes to finding the right horse.
yeah, I'm pretty efficient on that. I can say that
I've
clearly.
been told that you're one of the best down here. Wow. You know.
Well, a lot of people say that to me, and I really never have a platform before so people can really realize and acknowledge that. So, I'm thankful to be here.
Right. All right. From my side, what I am thinking on the race card for Saturday, I like. I think I'm gonna go with my style. And as you know, Michelle, my style, my style. I I pick up on the ground that these three jockeys that I'm gonna be talking about, you know, is expected to. So fans, give a look on these three jockeys. They are Tevin Foster, Paul Francis, Shane Richards, and and Dick Cardenas. Yes, these guys and Roman. You have to have him in the mix also. But for me, this week, this is the jockeys that I think can come out upset on the card. And I must say that, you know, Caymanas Montas Parliament is really, really doing a wonderful. I'm hearing it from fans, supporters who have been watching the show. You know, I'm on the on the road. I can see the compliments that have been coming in for the show. So I want to say to everybody, still share and spread the word on this Caymanas Montes Partners because it is a hot, hot show.
As you know, I'm just a short cut, Mr. Fender. I'm sorry, excuse me on that. But I must say that we have already had 100% with bankers. We did not get that last week, so the main aim is to get back on track with that and serve our people the best we can. Thanks a lot.
All right. Anybody talking about the big sub this morning? How does the big sub look on the program?
Yes, well, you know, but you know, there are big so
Yeah, and I must say, I already chose one junior run in that sub here. Not much for me to say on the big sub right here.
Oh,
yes. And what I know about the race, and I can share it, this race ran for the first time in 2016. And, you know, every year from then, it has been the promoters has made it fit to have this race on the card. And I can share with you, Gary Sobrati won it twice. Anthony Baba Nunes won it twice. And Ian Passat won it once. And here it is, as you said, Bash, he has run Julie run here. It is likely that he will, you know, share again.
You can repeat
Yes,
the fit, yeah.
yeah. So
So
I,
you can be another man to take two sub, big sub,
yes,
because you only have one.
you know, it is unfortunate that Gary Sobrati, I know he was trying to prepare a horse for this race, but somehow it just didn't work. And next year, more likely.
It is highly likely for Ian Passard to take that big sub again because, as you saw, it's evidently clear I chose her as a banker. And if she's a banker, she's selected to win this race. And I think firmly that she is a real banker. The race might look a little way like it is competitive, but it's not how it looks on the race paper or in the book. It's out there on the track. And I think she will be the queen of the crop for tomorrow. You know, I like to
Call
describe
her the
her as the
queen.
queen of the crop.
All
Yes.
right. All right. Thank you much, guys. Have a wonderful day now.
Blessed love, Michelle. Respect and manners every time.